As the sun dips below the horizon, the allure of Bora Bora's vibrant cocktail scene comes alive, offering a symphony of flavors that promise to tantalize your taste buds. In the heart of this tropical paradise, the pina colada reigns supreme. Conceived by Ramon Monchito Marrero in 1954, this creamy concoction of pineapple juice, coconut cream, and white rum is a tribute to its Puerto Rican roots. Served chilled with a garnish of pineapple or cherry, it's the quintessence of summer in a glass. But the pina colada isn't alone in its fame. The Mai Tai, a Polynesian marvel, blends dark rum with the tang of lime juice, the sweetness of orange curacao, and the subtle notes of orgeat syrup. Victor J. Bergeron, known as Trader Vic, introduced this out-of-this-world cocktail in 1944, and it's been a staple of tropical leisure ever since. Dive into the mesmerizing depths of the Blue Lagoon, a drink as captivating as Bora Bora's own lagoons. Its signature blue hue comes from blue curacao, paired with pineapple juice and white rum for a refreshing escape that's as visually stunning as it is delicious. As dawn breaks, the tequila sunrise offers a spectacle of colors mirroring Bora Bora's breathtaking sunrises. Invented by Jean Soulet in the 1930s, this blend of tequila, orange juice, and grenadine syrup creates a layered masterpiece that's both a feast for the eyes and a delight for the palate. Exclusive to the island, the Bora Bora Special is a testament to the island's unique flair. A blend of white rum, pineapple juice, coconut cream, and grenadine syrup, it's a rare gem that captures the essence of French Polynesia's tropical flavors. Each sip of these exotic beverages is a journey through Bora Bora's rich cocktail heritage. Whether you're lounging by the pool or soaking in the ocean views, remember to savor these drinks responsibly as the tropical sun intensifies their effects. Embrace the spirit of the island and let these iconic drinks elevate your Bora Bora experience to new heights. Book with a French Polynesia at Far and Away Adventure.